In this video, I'll show you how to rotate a horizontal video or image to vertical in Descript Storyboard. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. The reason why I'm doing this video is because Descript doesn't make it very clear for people how you can rotate a video or an image from horizontal to vertical and back and forth. Now, we're not talking about changing the canvas size. We're talking about changing the video that's inside here. Now, it's really simple, and the first method is if you hover over the edge of our video, for example, if I click on this video, click on it first, and if you hover over the edge, you'll see some arrows, and then if you scroll almost outside of that particular video, you'll see a curved arrow. Now, that curved arrow, when you left click and hold, and now turn your video, it's going to rotate your video to whatever side that you go to. Now, if you get to like the vertical view, it's going to snap into that particular view. I'll let go. Now, once I let go, I'd like us to confirm that this has turned into like a 90-degree, and you can do that by clicking on the drop down next to the layout. Click on that, and you'll see that this particular angle is 90 degrees. Now, if I enter an input of 0 degrees, it goes back to the original side. So the second method is that you can use this particular input section to add whatever you want. Let's say we want 60. Let's say 60. We want our video to be that side, or image, whatever. You can go to something like 150. It's upside down, etc. And it's a very good thing, especially if you've imported video that's not in the right orientation as well. You can just turn it around. So we can just make this 0. And it's the original, and if you wanted to convert it from horizontal to vertical, 90, and then you can make your adjustments to maybe your media the way you want it to be, or probably you wanted to rotate it and then change something like the video from landscape, that is the horizontal, to portrait, something like that. And then now you can take the handles and just readjust this to fit in the size of your canvas. So that is how you can rotate a video from the horizontal, the way the video is from horizontal to vertical in Descript Storyboard. I hope this video is clear and gives you 2 ways that you can do this. Thank you so much for watching.